we've designed Aries 2020 to cover the 4 pillars of sustainability, and we'll begin with the economy and finance pillar. We'll listen first to our Aries 2020 chairperson, Stephen Ohm.
My name is Stephen Ohm, and I am pleased to be the chairman of the summit. Due to the COVID pandemic this year, the summit is being held virtually for the first time.
Hello, I'm Simon Baptist, Chief Economist of the Economist Intelligence Unit. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my global and regional economic and political outlook for 2021 and beyond.
Well, good morning. I'm really happy to be here. My name is Lars Svensson. I'm the head of sustainability for IKEA South Asia and Mexico.
There's lots of really positive reasons to implement technology.
A high-level regional real estate conference that aimed to educate, innovate and inspire.
Every year, 200,000 people move to Ho Chi Minh City from the towns and villages around Vietnam.
Technology has completely transformed the world around us.
We're joined today by more than 1,000 viewers from around the Asia-Pacific region of gathering the industry's finest minds, top-level business leaders, and decision makers here at the PropertyGuru Asia Real Estate Summit.
So this is a more sustainable, cheaper, but at the same time has less what you would call cash outflow.
The message from leading scientists at the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, is that there's no time to waste. The world has just under a decade to avert climate catastrophe.
This year, I will be presenting the design keynote, and I'll discuss how sustainability and value creation are baseline for successful development and design.
How can we save water? How can we save energy? How can we use locally sourced materials? How can we effectively shape the built environment to enhance people's lives?
What are you doing?
These are big challenges, and a collective effort is required to scale them.
Tech Innovation Award. And the winner is Rhizome.
No one's ever built a bamboo skyscraper before.
What we need is a sustainability transformation.
Educate our K-12 students in data stewardship.
There is a challenging and exciting journey ahead of us, and we look forward to working with you in 2021 and beyond to maximize our sustainable future. Thank you for attending PropertyGuru Asia Real Estate Summit 2020.